Yo guys, Kevin Cesario with the C Group. Today, cannot wait to show you 774 Belden. This place is awesome. 2 units, large 2-2 downstairs and a 1-1 upstairs, panoramic ocean views, big time views of the bay. This place is spectacular. So this downstairs is an incredible 2-bedroom, 2-bath, open concept, tons of living space, remodeled, and views everywhere. It's plenty of space to spread out and an amazing deck to look at the bay. And the upstairs is fantastic. Got an amazing fireplace, a huge deck with panoramic views of the bay. This is the perfect either second home rental or make this a private study. And the backyard comes with a ton of additional parking, 2 garage stalls, place to relax, spread out, set up a little barbecue area. It is spectacular. So if you want more information or you want to see this property, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you.